Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of JK Says.
Hi!
Alright, earlier we recorded a video while we were sober.
Yeah,
that was a very angry video. Angry. Oh, hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. Seriously, it was horrifying. Yeah, that's fucking weird. That's a little weird. So this video we decided, it's all going to be about random noises people make. Okay, that was the Taco Bell dog? Little chalupa dude? No, Chihuahua, sorry. Yeah, she's really good at the Mexican voice. It's kind of funny.
My name is Jennifer Lopez and I like tacos and burritos.
I feel like you're just becoming more and more racist.
It's South Park.
Oh, okay, South Park, yeah. She's not racist, we promise.
I'm not racist, I swear. I swear to
Allah?
KFC.
Okay. KFC, swear to KFC.
Swear to KFC.
Alright, yeah, so we're about to go to the bar.
Bar.
Dos Primos.
Dos Primos.
I love how I said it Primos and she did the roll the R thing. Primo. Chewbacca.
Chewbacca. You can't say it normally or else it's just not as funny. It's just Chewbacca or Chewbacca.
Does Chewbacca speak English? Or I mean, I feel like you need a translator.
He just does that random like thing.
That's actually pretty good.
Thank you. I had a lot of time to practice it. My friends are Star Wars nerds.
I mean, I am too. I mean, right? Oh, wrong one.
Star Trek.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not supposed to know this.
It's okay, she's a nerd.
Just because I watch Star Trek, Star Wars, and read comic books does not make me a nerd. It makes me the perfect hot chick ever.
That is very true. You watch Stargate.
I did a couple times.
Yeah, okay, yeah,
I
you are.
never really got the point of the gate and the stars.
Well, see, the show was stupid. The show was kind of weird.
The point of the show was great.
The movie, watch the damn movie, because the Stargate movie is awesome. Alright. Okay, that was odd. So she's starting to get accustomed to her black hair.
I woke up this morning and forgot I had dyed it.
Yeah, she kind of freaked out when she walked in the bathroom.
I walked in the bathroom and I was like, holy Jesus!
Jesus!
Oh, Lordy!
Hallelujah! My Lord hath proclaimed that the fire will rain down on thee. Okay, yeah. That's the churches we go to, right?
Yeah. Hell yeah, we go to
church. Yeah. Well, I mean, I go to church, which probably just makes me look like a worse person. So.
I'm not religious. I'm spiritual.
Okay, yeah. So that's like saying, what is it? I'm not
I'm not truthful.
But you're honest.
I'm not honest.
I'm not honest, but you're hot. Like.
You're interesting. Yeah. You're interesting, America.
You're interesting, America. Believe us. You are.
We're not exactly the most honest people in the world, but goddamn America, we do love you. As we drink this 40.
Colt 45.
And two things.
Okay, I don't like rap. Never listened to that song in my life. But I love Colt 45. And it is not a black people's drink. It's the same way that Kool-Aid is not a black people's drink, because I fucking love Kool-Aid. She was just drinking Kool-Aid. Granted, it was mixed with alcohol and Mountain Dew, but yeah, well, whatever. It's the same thing, right?
Shit happens.
Yes.
Don't judge me.
Shit happens. Don't judge her. So, you got anything to say?
We still need ideas for our weekly video, although we did find a really, really weird one today.
Yeah, it was a little odd. But
who are we shout-outing in this video? Erica Adams!
Erica Adams, this is a shout-out to you. I love you. You're awesome.
I think it's kind of weird that we gave our last shout-out to Disa and then we went to Erica, but we fucking love you, Erica.
Yeah! Ika!
I love your hair.
Yeah, your hair's pretty awesome. So, yeah. It's awesome. Go check her out on Facebook. She's very attractive. And she's awesome. She's like my best friend. We're gonna start up a music venue together. It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be up in Canton, Georgia.
Everything good happens in Georgia.
It does. It does.
You don't live here? You're weird.
Yeah, people say everything's bigger in Texas. Well, everything's more badass in Georgia. So
Fuck you, Texas.
yeah, fuck you, Texas. I don't care if you're a big state. You got a video we can shout out and give these people to watch today?
Let's go for Natalie's rap.
Yes. If you guys like Lonely Island, you should.
Oh no! I just had sex.
Yeah. Yeah, not really.
We're gonna do both videos actually. Like, I'm gonna hold up my box here, you hold up your
All
box.
right.
This
My
one's
box.
Natalie's rap, and his.
Oh shit! I
box.
can't make the. I can't make my box.
There we go. And
there we go.
he is going to have I Just Had Sex. I Just Had Sex has Akon and Lonely Island in it. Natalie's rap is Natalie Portman doing the most funny ass rap in the world.
Yeah, you think Natalie Portman's a good person? Yeah, check out this video. You won't think so much. But all right. Well, that's. Yeah,
We
nah.
live there. We might as well shout them out.
All right. Well, that's all for us today. So, you stay classy, Woodstock.
Bye, guys.